Unraveling Out in Left Field, a dive into English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English idiom that might sound a bit strange at first: out in left field. This phrase is a wonderful example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be, and understanding it will not only enrich your vocabulary but also give you insight into cultural aspects of language use. So, let's dive in and find out what it means to be out in left field. The phrase, out in left field, comes from baseball, a popular sport in the United States. In baseball, left field is one of the positions in the outfield, far from the batter. However, when used as an idiom, it has nothing to do with baseball and instead conveys that something or someone is odd, unusual, or unexpectedly different from what is considered normal or mainstream. Examples in use: if someone proposes an idea that seems bizarre or irrelevant, you might say, "That idea is really out in left field." Describing a person who often has unconventional thoughts or behaviors, "He's a bit out in left field, but his creativity is invaluable." The origins of out in left field are, fittingly, a bit murky, but it's widely accepted that the idiom emerged from baseball's popularity in the United States. The specific characteristics of left field, such as being a place where players are less likely to receive action or attention, might have contributed to the phrase's meaning associated with being out of the ordinary or off-center. Understanding idioms like out in left field offers a glimpse into how sports and culture influence language. It's a perfect example of how expressions can carry meanings far beyond their literal roots, painting vivid pictures or describing complex ideas in a few words. When using the phrase, out in left field, it's important to ensure that the context is appropriate. This idiom is typically used in informal settings to describe ideas, suggestions, or behaviors that are perceived as unconventional or surprising. Do's and don'ts. Do use it to describe something unusual or unexpected in a relatively light-hearted way. Don't use it in formal contexts or to describe serious matters where it could be misunderstood or seem disrespectful. We hope this exploration of out in left field has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also the fascinating ways in which language and culture intersect. English is full of colorful idioms like this, each with its own backstory and nuances. Remember, understanding and using idioms can add depth to your conversations and help you engage more fully with the English-speaking world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.